To download Webull on a Chromebook, you need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure your Chromebook is connected to the internet and you have a Google account. Open the Google Play Store on your Chromebook. You can find it in the app drawer or by searching for it in the search bar. Next, type Webull in the search bar and select the Webull app from the search results. Click the Install button to begin the download process. You may be prompted to review the permissions required by the app. Click Accept to continue. Once the installation is complete, click the Open button to launch the Webull app. You will be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign up or sign in process. After logging in, you can start using the Webull app on your Chromebook. You can browse through the various features and tools offered by the app, such as stock quotes, charts, and news. You can also customize the app to suit your preferences and needs. It is essential to note that Webull is a financial services app, and you should use it responsibly. Make sure you understand the terms and conditions of the app and the risks associated with investing in the stock market. In addition to the mobile app, Webull also offers a web-based platform that you can access directly from your Chromebook's browser. To access the web platform, go to the Webull website and log into your account. The web platform offers more features and tools compared to the mobile app, and you can use it to manage your investments and stay up to date with market news. By following these steps, you can easily download and install Webull on your Chromebook and start using it to manage your investments and stay informed about the stock market. Remember to always use the app responsibly and make informed investment decisions.